The key to success in this game is speed. Success loves speed, and getting to deals quickly is definitely going to be the reason why you either win or lose in this game. Now, here's an example of what I mean, a practical example. So I'm looking at my next investment in Berea. Or in that CBD area. So I've spoken to my estate agent. You can see here on the screen that she's given me options of quite a few buildings. So this is probably about 8 units, and she already knows kind of how to work with me because we've worked in the past. So she gives me the selling price, the rental, the gross yield, and the gross yield is that quick indicator to tell me which deal might be of interest, which won't. And then there's a link. So what I've just done, you can either use the myapp.property app or just build a quick Excel spreadsheet. What I've done here is I've quickly run all the numbers, put in my assumptions. Everything in yellow is an assumption, something that I'll need to confirm either with a rent roll, a bank statement, something like that. She then sent me an email with all the OTPs. So you can see here that she sent me an OTP for the first four that I was interested in. What I've done is I've gone through each OTP. Just quickly, what an OTP is, it's a legal agreement between you and the seller that you're going to buy the property at a certain price. So for each property, I just go back to my numbers. I know that my first property I'm willing to offer 90% to get a return of 9.5. So I put in here my condition is not to buy it at 150, which the seller's expecting, but rather to buy it at 90,000. They might say no. That's why I like to sign 4 or 5 or 6 OTPs at a time, because most of the time I'm going in with a big discount, anywhere between 20 and 30%. So, I want to see who's motivated. So I'm going to sign, today I'm going to sign 4 offer to purchases and send them in one batch to the estate agent. I might get 4 no's, but it's better than sending 1 offer to purchase and waiting for the no. Okay, so there's the offer. It'll be a 30% cash, 70% bank finance, and then there's just the basic terms and conditions and agreements, etc. What I have done and what I would recommend is always put your own subject clauses in the offer to purchase. Here I've put a couple, and then right at the bottom here, please send and sign the addendum 1. Now addendum 1, if I just open it up here, where's my addendum 1? Now, instead of every single time that I sign an offer to purchase to put my 5 or 6 clauses down in each document, what I do is I've created a separate document here, offer to purchase additional clauses. It's got the 3 key OTP clauses that I like to have in every deal signed, and all that I do is in every offer to purchase that I sign, you can see there that I just say, please, make sure that the attached addendum is also signed, so that anything that's in this addendum, all of my normal terms and conditions are also included as part of the sale. So that's, a quick way in which you can see how you can do bulk transactions. I find that because we're in the game of getting low offers accepted and doing big discounts, we tend to get a lot of no's. So the quicker you can get your offers out there and the more you can scale it, the quicker you can do it, and the more you can put in, the more offer purchases you can put out there, the more likelihood your chances of success are. So I'm going to put these 4 offer to purchases through. Wish me luck, hold thumbs. Hopefully one of them comes through as successful.
Are you tired of having more month at the end of your money? It's time to venture into property investing. And although it may seem scary, don't worry. We've created tons of resources to help you get started. From tools that help you analyze deals, to online training courses, to one-on-one specialized coaching. Click the link in the comments below and get started today.